Marking Labor Day, labor unions are once again calling for a shorter work week and reduced working hours. The political arena is also taking notice as reforming the 5-day work week becomes a hot-button issue in the lead-up to the presidential election. We look at the possibility of its implementation and some of the challenges.
This company manufacturing automatic doors introduced a 4-day work week back in 2022 for all employees. They work 4 days a week except for the 4 months when the factory is especially busy.
월요일부터 목요일까지 이 계획을 세워서 생산량을 맞추고
It was an innovative endeavor for a manufacturing company which is supposed to operate incessantly. The company adjusted its work hours and employees subject to the 4-day workweek in phases, starting with production workers in 2019. Counter to prior concerns, its sales and production volume have surged by 20% annually.
10% 정도는 인력 충원으로 했고 나머지 이제 부족한 10%를 스마트 팩토리를 도입을 하고 그다음에 모든 회의를 없애고
Discussions of a 4.5-day workweek are gaining pace ahead of the presidential election. The question is whether or not to curtail the current legal work hours of 40 hours per week. Labor side says it supports the idea because the chronic long working hours need to be addressed to ensure balance between work and leisure. The management is against it due to concerns about economic uncertainty and weaker competitiveness. Management organizations say a 4-day or 4.5-day workweek is the #1 legislation that can negatively impact the labor market. The priority should be on finding a way to strike a balance between productivity and wage compensation.
기업의 매출이나 생산성에 타격이 없어야 노동자들도 직장에서 건강하게 좋은 일자리를 유지할 수 있거든요.
Experts also point out the need to devise a step-by-step plan reflecting the situation in various job responsibilities and sectors.